Hello! In this figure, we have a square ABCD. Each side is 4 units. The sides AB and CB are tangent to the yellow circle, and point D is on the circle. We need to find the radius of the yellow circle. To solve this problem, first we will draw the diagonal DB. This diagonal passes through the center of the circle, and to find its length, we will use the Pythagorean Theorem. So in the right triangle BCD, we will write that side DC squared plus side BC squared equals the hypotenuse squared. And because each of these sides is 4 units, we will write that 4 squared plus 4 squared equals dB squared. Then on the left side, 16 plus 16 is 32, so 32 equals dB squared. Then dB equals the square root of 32. Now to simplify this radical, we will write 32 as a product of 16 and 2. Then square root of 16 is 4, and now dB equals 4 square root of 2. Now let the radius of the circle be represented by r. Then in the next step, we will connect the center with each point of tangency. And because the radius is always perpendicular to the tangent line at the point of tangency, then these two angles are right angles. So now we have a square with each side equal to r. Then because each half of the square is a right triangle, we can write that the hypotenuse OB equals the square root of r squared plus r squared. So again, OB equals the square root of r squared plus r squared. Then OB equals square root of 2 r squared. Then because square root of r squared is r, we will write that OB equals r square root of 2. So we just found that OB is r square root of 2. So now we have that OD is r, OB is r square root of 2, and DB is 4 square root of 2. So if we add these two expressions, we will get 4 square root of 2. So let's write that r plus r square root of 2 equals 4 square root of 2. So if we solve this equation, we will find the radius. And for this, on the left side, we will factor out r, and in parentheses, we will have 1 plus square root of 2 equals 4 square root of 2. So here, if we check the work, then indeed r times 1 is r, and r times square root of 2 is r square root of 2. And now to solve for r, we will divide both sides by 1 plus square root of 2. Then on the left side, 1 plus square root of 2 will cancel, and r equals 4 square root of 2 over 1 plus square root of 2, and this is approximately 2.3 units. So we found the radius, and now the problem is completed. Thank you for watching.